All right, everybody, welcome back indeed. All right, starting right back up where we left off. Uh, oh, my power is regenerating very slowly, but that works. Let's turn you back on and get a flowing to the next station. All right, that is creeping. There we go. A little bit faster, but that is chewing through the power. So let's down it. Let her drift at that speed. Keep an eye out for drones, because I don't want any more to show up. And if they do, I need to blast them out of the air. This does feel really slow at the moment. Okay, I definitely need to find a way to increase the speed and the power generation, because I am losing power fast. Alright. Ooh. Supplies at the side of the rails. That is looking good. I'm not seeing anything at the moment. So I think I might just stop, check it out. And I haven't even cranked up the reactor back there, primarily because I don't want to use it if I don't have to. Alright, turn the engine off, hit the brake, let's hop out. Don't see anything. Crouch. Ooh, more materials. Okay, I need an extractor for that. That's interesting. I don't have that yet unlocked. That'll be something I need to unlock later. Okay. More materials. I need the thing to pick up. That's disappointing. I don't have it, so I need to pass it by. Let's close that. That didn't give me nearly enough time to go anywhere. Let's get into this tunnel a little bit. That way, they only have two ways to attack. Turn my lights off, because I'm running through batteries. Oh, I saw something. Let's hit the brakes. I just saw something over there. Kind of looks like a drone. Ah, it is. Hello, little guy. I thought I saw something. Oh, you don't have anything on you. What are you? Another one over here. Looks like a defensive position. Ooh, I see a tree. Are these friendly drones or enemy drones is the question. Okay. I don't see anything over here. Let's see. More blueprints. First aid kit. Cartridges. Oh, that's one of the guys from the last outpost. Okay. So those people probably died here, by the looks of it. Which that would explain why the drones were hanging around. Still nothing. And I am running out of food. That's not good. And that's a storm. Ooh, I got soil and stuff, which that's good. Alright. I got stuff out of my inventory. Let's get my happy butt inside. Doesn't matter, just get my butt inside. I'll charge up after I get inside. And of course, I have no lights on the outside of this thing. Go figure. Maybe I'll install some, while I'm here. Well, I'm out of the storm, but I'm gonna be starving soon. Let's decrease my speed a little bit, so I'm not chewing through all of my power. What is... It's not... doesn't look like another station. I'm gonna run out of power before I even reach the door. Alright, so let's explore without the train. Let's grab a couple... Oh! I'm still moving a little bit. That's right, I didn't hit the brakes. Engines are off, but my speed is still going. That's nice. And that looks like a puzzle to go fix. Alright, and let's go... Yeah, it's not even opening up, so I'm gonna have to go shut that down. Let's go outside. I need food. Medkit, no. Any food? Okay, so I need to start the battery up. There we go. Got a little bit of food back. Okay. That one's filled in. Alright, let's go ahead and empty my inventory again. Because I already know you lose stuff when you die, so... And I'll sort it out later. This thing was talking about a scout being awake. Not seeing anything. I'd want to draw it closer to my mine. Oh, they got parallel engines on that. That's kind of cool. Huh. This is another train. What are you? Sticker? Fusion core. That's a power gen or a power pack or battery, whatever. Let's turn that on. Alright, so that's there. How much power do I got? Let's close you back up. And close you for now. How much power do I got? Only 180. I want more power before I leave. And I got more dark tunnels. I think I'm going to go ahead and unlock lights. Oops. Oh well. Let's go ahead and do a quick sorting. Got 3 blueprints. Let's go ahead and... Oh, I dropped those. Go here. Should have all that. Let's take those. A few of those. Let's go ahead and stick a light on the front of this. Oh, that's the wrong menu. Why is it blocked? There we go. I only need the one because I don't need it uber bright. I don't need to lose power because of it. Let's go ahead and toss some the scrap. Smart material. And toss my... There we go. Now, which power got? 300? Let's go ahead and turn that on. Oh. Alright everybody, I'm going to call it here. And we will be back shortly. Don't forget to like, share, comment, all that good stuff. And I hope you guys decide to subscribe and all that good stuff. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye!